So today is yet another effort to try to get them to be transparent. We had an independent preliminary review done based by Dr. Roger Mitchell, a board certified forensic pathologist. And we're going to talk about the findings of his initial review. He determined, based on the information that he has in his possession at the time of review, the cause of death, which is no mystery to anyone, shotgun wound of the torso. The manner of death, homicide. State of review. The forensic pathologist was retained to review early investigative information pertaining to the shooting death of the infant, Kohen Wiley. The initial question was to ascertain to reasonable degrees of medical probability and medical certainty the positions of the entrance and exit gunshot wounds present on the infant body. Material reviews were photographs of the infant body, photographs of the motor vehicle transporting the infant, and direct observation of the infant body itself. The initial review findings: gunshot wound of the torso, entrance right side of the chest, and that's going to be very important, and I'll explain in a minute. A subsection of this finding of entrance wound right side of the chest is the pseudo-stippling on the right side of the chest and the abdomen. And I'll explain that in just a second. And Dr. Mitchell goes through great detail to explain every aspect of his finding. Exit wound, the left side of the chest. The direction is from right to left, not front to back. That's going to be important. Right to left. And then he has a preliminary explanation, even though he has 2 pages of details. Destruction along the path of the wound track, including tissue and organ involvement, cannot be determined at this time due to the limited materials available for case review. However, due to the positioning of the entrance and the exit wounds, one or more thoracic organs, the heart, the lungs, the aorta, and the esophagus, are likely to have been severely injured to cause the fatality of the infant baby, Kohen Wiley. What he's saying is, because they had already had the autopsy and he did not reopen the baby's body, the Mississippi Bureau of Investigations did an autopsy before they embalmed the baby. And it's no mystery as to the cause of death, but he was determining the entry wound and the exit wound. And he said because he did not reopen the baby's body, he cannot conclude that the bullet, whether it hit the baby's heart or the baby's lungs or the baby's aorta or the baby esophagus. But we know because the baby was killed that some of those vital organs was hit by the bullet of this police officer. And so that is the preliminary findings. I won't go into detail. I think we'll try to show you